Introduction to working at height. Working at height remains one of the biggest causes of fatalities and major injuries. Common cases include falls from ladders and through fragile surfaces. What does working at height mean? Work at height means work in any place where, if there were no precautions in place, a person could fall a distance liable to cause personal injury. Assess the risks. First, assess the risks. Factors to weigh up include the height of the task, the duration and frequency, and the condition of the surface being worked on. Control measures. Before working at height, work through these simple steps. Avoid work at height where it's reasonably practicable to do so. Prevent falls using either an existing place of work that is already safe or the right type of equipment. Minimize the distance and consequences of a fall by using the right type of equipment where the risk cannot be eliminated. What can your employer do? Your employer must make sure work is properly planned, supervised and carried out by competent people with the skills, knowledge and experience to do the job. Your employer must use the right type of equipment for working at height. There may be some low-risk situations where common sense tells you no particular precautions are necessary, like climbing on a ladder.